Today we're going to be installing a light bar on the roll bar of the Kioti tractor. Purchased this light bar on Amazon with a relay and switch kit. Now I got to figure out where I'm going to mount all that. But my hope is to mount the light bar up here. I'll have to drill some holes. And I'm also going to mount a work light somewhere in here. Actually, maybe down here, depending on how much wiring I have. That way I can shine a light down when I'm plowing and stuff. Weather's getting cold and the headlights get covered up whenever you have the bucket up. A little update. The other day I wired these lights up. Light bar there, and I've got a work light here. I think what I'm going to end up doing though is putting a bigger light bar across the back here. This is an old light bar or old work light off my Jeep, and it doesn't really light up that much, but it'll work for now. I also installed this waterproof box right here. I have all my wiring going into it. I wired it up first and then got the box, and that was kind of a pain in the butt because then I had to come back and reattach or splice those wires together so I can get it feed through. I've got the switch right here for it. Yeah, so that's that. So the big thing with this is if you have one of these Kiotis, it's got a power supply right here. Comes out from down here, and it's just got the bullet connectors on there. And I just, I did the waterproof heat shrinking on there and crimped it together. But you can do that. I was thinking I had to wire it all the way to the front where the battery is. And then I realized that, yeah, I do have a connector back here, and that's what that's for, a work light. So, yeah, it's working pretty good. That's that. So, pretty happy with it, especially during the winter time. Be nice for plowing and working out when it's dark. That's that.